Expanding a single bracket. Pause the video and have a go at example 7. In example 7, we have to expand the following brackets. So part A is 3 brackets x plus 2. That means 3 multiplied by x plus 2. So we have to multiply everything in the bracket by 3. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times positive 2 is 6, positive 6. In part B, we have 7y times x, which is 7yx. Usually you put just in alphabetical order, but it doesn't make a difference. You could say 7xy or 7yx. And then 7y times 2y. Sometimes if it's a lot happening, if you want to write it out separately, what you're doing to think it through, 7 times 2 is going to be 14. And y multiplied by y is the same as y squared. And part C, minus 2x times 5t. Well, minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. And x times t, because they're different letters, is just xt. Then we do minus 2x times minus 4. Well, minus 2 times minus 4 is positive 8. And then we have x, and there's no other letters, so it'll just stay as x.